Okay, now let's pretend you've got all your values here for 4 out of the 5 cams. So if you're using mine, it's these 4. Now don't copy these numbers down because I made them up. You'll get actual values from when you are measuring all the way around for 30, 60, 90, and so on, all the way around. I made mine up here, so don't use those. But here's what you're going to do. Once you have all your numbers, you're going to analyze this using a graph. And all the work's done all the work if you got this filled out. Now you just got to do a couple of clicks and you'll be able to graph it. Here's what I do. Go ahead and grab column A. So I just clicked on A up here. And then Control or Command if you have a Mac on the other column that you want to graph. Okay, so I'm doing A and C. Maybe you have A and B, and I'll show you A and D next. So I've got column A and column C. Then insert a chart, and that's this icon. There's also, I think, under data, I'm not sure, tools maybe. Where is the chart? Insert, there it is, chart. So it's there also. Insert chart, and look at that. Since I labeled it degrees of revolution and hexcam, look at that. That's the name of our graph. And you can see that it starts up here. The cam goes up and goes down. Well, I made up the numbers, so that's what it does. Yours will do something different. A hex cam should just go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down 6 times, right? If you did it right. Okay, and you can make these smaller if you want. You can even cover up this chart here because you don't need it, or you've already used it. And then I'll show you how to do a different one here. Let's do column A and column D. Click on Create a Chart. Yay, it's already named for you. Maybe put it over here. Actually, let me size it. You can make it however size you want, so as long as it makes sense, I can see it. And you're going to have 4 of these charts, or 4 of these graphs. Maybe I'll put the other 2 down here once I get data there. Okay, so 4 lovely graphs. In fact, if you want to just delete all these values, you can from the chart I gave you there. So once you have 4 graphs, you're done. Submit it. And this will help you decide, hey, which cams do I want? Do I want one that starts high, goes up, and then does some funky stuff? Or do I want a nice smooth up and down? And once you analyze yours, you can see, oh, look at that. It starts at 1 point whatever, and use the graphs to determine which cams you're going to use later for your actual project. Okay, good job. Go do it.